Question 8. The mean of three numbers, x, y, and z, is x. What is the mean of y and z? A neat question. You do need to know and understand what the mean means. So we are told that the mean of these, which if we form an expression for that is this, equals x. And we need to know what the mean of these two are. So this is what we're trying to find out. So I'm going to rearrange this. And then going to get all of my x's together. And then can you see we're starting to get something that looks like this? So I'm going to divide both sides by that 2. And then y plus z divided by 2 is x. This is then our answer, which is B. As I said, quite a neat question. You do need to understand what mean means and use that to form expressions for explaining that.